Welcome to our Cybersecurity YouTube channel. Kali Linux is a popular open-source operating system specifically designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking purposes. It is a distribution of Linux based on Debian. The primary focus of Kali Linux is to provide a platform for security professionals to perform various security assessments, such as vulnerability scanning, network sniffing, password cracking, and exploiting known security vulnerabilities. Kali Linux comes with a wide range of tools and utilities pre-installed, including popular tools like Metasploit, Nmap, Wireshark, John the Ripper, Aircrack King, and many more. These tools assist security professionals in identifying and fixing vulnerabilities within computer systems and networks. Some common uses of Kali Linux include 1. Penetration testing. Kali Linux is widely used by security professionals to simulate real-world cyber attacks and identify vulnerabilities in computer systems, networks, and web applications. 2. Forensics and incident response. Kali Linux provides a range of tools for digital forensics and incident response, allowing investigators to analyze and recover data from compromised systems. 3. Wireless network security. Kali Linux includes tools for wireless network auditing and penetration testing, making it useful for testing the security of Wi-Fi networks and detecting vulnerabilities. 4. Web application security. Kali Linux provides tools for testing the security of web applications, including vulnerability scanning, SQL injection, and cross-site